How to get puzzle pieces in Bingo Blitz game. In Bingo Blitz, collecting puzzle pieces is an engaging aspect of the game that allows you to complete puzzles and earn various rewards. Here is how you can acquire these pieces. The number one step is to play seasonal bingo rooms. Participate in seasonal bingo rooms where puzzle pieces are often available. Completing these rooms can yield puzzle pieces as part of the rewards. Next step is to utilize the collection pass. The collection pass is a feature that allows you to select any missing puzzle piece to complete a room. You can earn collection passes through events, quests, gifts, balloons, teams, and special dishes. And the next step is send and receive puzzle pieces with friends. Engage with your in-game friends by sending and requesting puzzle pieces. This social feature enables you to exchange pieces, helping each other complete puzzles more efficiently. And that's it. This is how you can get puzzle pieces in the Bingo Blitz game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.